with me, Macau me, Macau me, baby. Fill me up, take me down, show me around, Macau me, me and Macau. Go all around, look it up and down, turn the corner, Macau me, baby. Fill me up, take me down, show me around, Macau me. Me and Macau, go all around, look it up and down, turn the corner, Macau me, baby. Fill me up, take me down, show me around, Macau me.
Okay, we're in Son Yat-sen. I'm going to try to explain this a little bit, but there's some construction here today. And then there's actually a lot of other stuff over there as well, and some new buildings that I haven't filmed in quite a while either. I will just kind of show you what's here. It's a Manhattan apartment building. We'll show you all these and walk down our street. The street goes all the way down almost to the bridge, but we'll capture a little bit of it anyways. So stay tuned. Son Yat-sen. This is a major avenue going through Taipa. Lots of traffic here. I haven't filmed it. I have many times, but I haven't recently. There's a new building that came up. There's a little bit of construction. They're doing something in the road, so I decided to capture it. And then even more so, I ended up deviating this one around into all this other kind of makeshift homes, which is pretty interesting to see that. So so you'll see me get into that and just kind of and this is kind of important because all this stuff will probably be gone before we know it. So I'm kind of capturing a slice of time on film and camera. So I was glad to be able to attach this to Son Yat-sen because maybe people will view the Son Yat-sen and they'll kind of know that this was here in 2025 and well before as well. Okay, so that being said, let's just get into it. It's up on the map. There's the lyrics here as well. And we're going to, I know you don't want to hear me keep talking about it. You want to feel as if you were there yourself. Let's do that. Walk and talk time, Macau, Son Yat-sen Avenue, Taipa. Okay, so it looks like they're doing some construction here. So they have this whole street blocked out today. And then if we go all the way down, you can see there's a roundabout right there, and construction, gas station. I should go over to that side. I might do that. You can kind of see this. It's Manhattan. There's Kingsville's another one right there. We're gonna sneak all the way by. Got a gas station right here. Then on this side, we can actually see some new apartments, and now we can see these apartments too, just kind of the wall of apartments all the way down. I think this one, it's called Kingsville, all of that. And then I think this one is Manhattan, and there's Treasure Island in here too. Let's just kind of walk down and we'll see what else we can see around here. And they're going to keep on building as well, so let's see. I kind of wanted to go back there, but I don't know if we can go back there or not. But there's all these little makeshift houses behind this gas station right here, and they're right in that area. And you can see some of the skyline. I don't know if this is, I think this one, maybe it's going to be here, I think. Let me just walk down a little bit, see what all these things are all about. So is that, I think that's the golf course, and then the casino's right here. So this is kind of the skyline that they have planned here. That's a jacket club. So this is all Taipa. That's the Macau side. And then this is Hengqin, the financial district. So that's not fully developed yet. But so the Zenith is another plan, which I guess is what they're building right here. And then back in here, I'm gonna walk. This is empty now. I think this used to have a lot of different stuff going on there. So okay, so that our street is Son Yat-sen, but I'm kind of getting a little bit off track, but this is important because this is also part of Son Yat-sen too. There's a dog down here, so I'm not going to follow it down. But yeah, there's like a bunch of makeshift houses all behind here, and you can see a crane right there. So they are constructing up this, and this is all new. I don't think I filmed this one yet, all the ones with the windows. It's all really, really new. And then this is stuff that they might be going to be demolishing later. I think I heard that they're doing some things, but you can actually walk down this way and go down that way. Let me just kind of do a quick little. I think this is going to be something new right here too. Gas station's there. There's apartments here. Then that's Gia Hill, the large one up there. And then this one is all tall apartments as well as the other side. Kind of want to go down that little trail right there. But yeah, over here you got cats and just kind of cool stuff. So if we were to walk down it, we'd see more of these little makeshift things everywhere throughout here. And I think I'm gonna try to I could go around like that, go behind it, but I think I should stay to my street, Son Yat-sen. This is a main avenue that goes through Taipa. There's another cat too. If there's cats, then that means there's not dogs. I thought there was a dog in here. I remember that from before. And yeah, you can just kind of follow this all the way down, right? I guess I will follow it. Yeah, no dog. Okay, good. And I think I'm gonna have to go back around again, actually. But anyways, you can see Son Yat-sen, all those buildings are right there. I don't think I can come out of here. Maybe I can. There's not a dog. Okay. Okay. So there you go. And we are, I think I'm gonna just go around to Son Yat-sen. Let's see if I can get through these scooters or not. Looks like people just park in and then they just walk back out. There's another cat right there. Looks like I might be able to come through here. If I can, I will. I can. Let's see how this goes. Okay. I can't go up though. Okay, well, anyways, this is kind of important though, because you're getting to get a view of what Son Yat-sen looks like right now in 2025, because it definitely won't look like this in 5 years from now, for sure. So yeah, we have the, so this is kind of go behind Son Yat-sen here. And I guess we'll have to go like that and go back to Son Yat-sen, but so you're getting a view of behind Son Yat-sen, Dr. Son Yat-sen. I think it's called Avenida. Here's some more, but that one I can already see goes into here. Then all these tall buildings here are all Son Yat-sen all the way down. And then back here, you can see that this is probably going to all be changing in the future as Taipa expands outward more. But I think it's kind of interesting. So we'll follow it through. Okay, so we're going to be, there's Son Yat-sen, all the tall buildings. This is the new one right there. And then you can see all of those. So we're gonna go through that little space, and then we're gonna go. So you're seeing Son Yat-sen from the backside, all the tall apartments everywhere. And there's more of them over there. So you get a taste anyways. More of these makeshift. A lot of these right here are like they're one of them's like a parking garage. A lot of them are like they'll take used car parts and computer parts and sell them off. Okay, so we're going to continue, and then we're going to take a left around the corner. So at least you're getting a view a little bit. Okay, so we're gonna come around like this. Then that's all Son Yat-sen right over there. All those tall buildings everywhere. And I think I'm actually gonna go up so I can give you the full picture. Go up that way. That's where we're coming from. Okay, so now we're going to see Son Yat-sen. We'll see all the way up and down it, which is good because you need to see that so you can understand the street fully. So all of that is Son Yat-sen all the way down. You got all these tall buildings. There's a fire department. Which is in yellow usually, but I don't see it. Okay, there you go. And this is the other side where we saw the construction right in here. So yeah, Son Yat-sen, all the tall buildings everywhere, and then today is kind of unique because this is all under construction today. It's usually not so common. Okay. All these apartments with the nice balconies like that. Amazing. Okay. So I think we're gonna go back down that way. So now we're just kind of viewing into Taipa. And Taipa is basically has tall buildings everywhere. You'll see it. I'll kind of take a look. I'll show you on this street, and then you can see it kind of goes all the way down. There you go. So you can just kind of see all the tall buildings. So we're gonna go back to our target street, which is Son Yat-sen. And then Son Yat-sen is kind of unique today because there's a lot of construction, and I think what they're doing is they're going underneath and changing. Like this is usually street traffic. They're doing all this construction today. So Avenida Dr. Son Yat-sen. So there you go. There's the street sign that I was looking for. So we're gonna go a little bit further, and then we're gonna look down the other big long street, and then we'll come to an ending. You got lots of, there's a restaurant right there, Afternoon Tea it's called. Here's a supermarket, I think it's kind of new. So yeah, Fresh and Easy. It's new, it's a new restaurant, new supermarket. Okay. Fusion. Okay. And then this one that we're coming up is called Ivora. So I think you kind of get a taste for Son Yat-sen. then yeah, you can basically see all these tall buildings everywhere. And then we're gonna end it for Son Yat-sen.
Envelop me, vibe me, Macau me, baby. Fill me up.